guys, it's me, Jack7. Here's a 54-inch Casablanca Nouvelle ceiling fan. This is the official video now because the reason why this is going to be a better official video because you get to see the full detail of the ceiling fan now on the side of the fan and everything. Because you didn't see the whole detail because it was in a box earlier, so I put that aside, took it out of the box, so I put it on this little bin so it can hold up on here really well. But don't worry, this fan's not going to tip over or anything because it's fine, it's holding up. It held up for like the past 30 minutes, so I think it's going to hold up even more. So I'm going to start the fan off with demo mode. Yeah, you see, to get it going. You can hear how much wind is actually blowing. It's very strong. Moves the whole time of air. Alright, done with demo mode. Now I'll stop the blade so I can go into general settings. Here's the light. And put it up to full brightness. And already you might have enough of that, so we can start off with speed 1. This fan is very slow in speed 1. It's very highly aesthetic fan that this is a very rare Casablanca to find, so I was thinking of putting this in my room soon. So yeah, I might have to do a little modifications to it, just change out the hardware so I can make it fit on an 8-foot ceiling. So yeah. Speed 2. This fan is very nice on speed 2 too. It's super aesthetic, and it's spinning at 50 RPM, and it's got the nice, wonderful, sweet looking tulip shades on it that I like. Speed 3. Pretty cool. Speed 4. This fan's like a medium speed right now. It's moving a lot of air already on medium. This is pretty strong, I have to say. Speed 5. Speed 5 is moving a whole ton of air already. It's already starting to spread it out even more. And speed 6 high. Oh my gosh, this thing is moving a whole ton of air. It's a sweet looking fan. Put up the light. Very beautiful fan. And I'll turn it off. There you have it.